Hi, my name is Chris Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw. And I showed this book to everybody, my Facebook friends, a sketch, just a real sketch of a bear standing, a cartoon bear on all fours. And they liked it. They liked to see a video. So I'm going to do a video on how to draw it. Give you some tips. The tip is I want you to think in terms of making sure this looks like a bear, something signature about it. So let's find something in this character that looks just like a bear, like nothing else. But we're not going to start that way because that's kind of specific. What I want to do is start with kind of this horizontal oval, and I want to bring the neck out here, and I want to give him kind of a pointy nose. Bears actually have a long, pointed nose, like that. Okay, you can follow that. The head is kind of buried in here. Here's the eye line, and we're going to put, just for position, just put the eye right in here. I'll make the nose come out further like that, kind of slope it back this way. And now we'll bring the bottom out a little bit because bears have, a really big bottom. And the chest comes out. We just indicate the different parts here without having to finish them all. Now here's where it's going to get fun, and you're going to get the signature part of the bear. Bears have a huge shoulder area. So this comes up, but then this has to sink down and go around right like this. I'm going to finish this off with black at the end. See, like that? That's the look I'm going to give it. Now you can find something else that's very bear-like that you like, but that's what I'm going to give this guy. Now, he's got big shoulders that come right around here, but they come right around, you don't see it, but down here too. And with that flat paw. Same thing here. And another flat kind of paw right back here, and even fatter back behind here where that rump is, right here. And then the tummy comes down here like this. Let's heel off the bottom. So now we're going to give him a little nose, like that. And a couple of cute cups for ears. One here, one here. And I'm going to finish it up in a minute, so please stay with me. And a kind of fat cheek area. Some whiskers like this, maybe a couple of whiskers off the top here. And bring this chest down, because it actually flaps like this. It's just a bunch of flapping fur, right like that. Tummy down here. And again, that big shoulder area. Okay, so now we have the basics. Let's finish it up. So I will now try to be careful with the eye area. That's the most important on animals and people. If you mess that up, you tend to need to start over. So, okay. So here we have them like this. And bring that forehead down, a little slope here, not too big. Long snout. Few whiskers. Again, bring the snout like this. The front of it is on an angle. And a little bit of whiskers here. Bring that down, and those little cupped ears. And you can just shade that back one. A little bit of whiskers like this. And we'll bring this down. This kind of rounds off here and rounds off here. So it gives a nice kind of portly look. And again, to make that consistent, I'm going to shade the back leg. And this comes down here, nice fat tummy. Also, you can give him a line of the fur here, also kind of reinforces that. You can do that here if you like too. Just a little bit, kind of reinforces it. Really not showing much of a knee because he's just very plump. So we're just going to be satisfied with just sort of a plump leg. Whoa, caught it just in time. I hate when those pens try to escape. Okay, coming right from the top right here is neck, and this is kind of furry right here, down and up again. So it's what I call them as hills and valleys. This is the hill, the valley, the hill. It kind of has a rhythm to it. Like that, and we'll have the shadows going in the same direction, back. and a little bit here, and a little broken up here. All right, so there's an idea of how to take something that looks like a bear type and add it to your cartoon character, so you can exaggerate the cartoon but still retain some of the original. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.